here's what's happening. Like you've had this all of these coins now. We're up to about, I don't know, 10,000, whatever we're up to. You've got all these coins that are out there, for example, that obviously 90% of the coins are meaningless. They don't mean anything other than the fact that somebody's going to pay you more for it than you bought it for. That's it. That's the only upside you have. And so when you have that many angles, it's not like having gold and silver. There's two things, okay? But if you look at the crypto side, there's all these coins, and you can go down the lane and get to the number 2,000, and they're still at like $75, $100 million market cap. And so we look at that and we realize how much money people have in these things. And so when that whole thing just keeps on wasting away, we think it'll have an impact on the stock market. Those two things go together, and they'll eventually come over there and say, well, I need more money, so I'll just sell my stocks. But I think that's what, when I say the things that happen, is you got the fad going. It's the same thing. And it was like, again, a lot of young people that grew up playing on a computer, and they like that. That's fine. I don't have my kids do the same thing. But the problem is it didn't have any economic value. I keep coming back to that. Show me the economic value. If you can show it to me, I'll go with it. Now, I think, and I haven't done enough work on this, I have to tell you just a personal point of view, but I think the decentralized finance side, that includes blockchain and that sort of thing, will eventually have a real space in finance. Because I think if you look, and it's the same way for us, if we're wiring money overseas, back and forth, doing different things, there's tremendous hassles in doing things right now in the banking system. So I think that has a place. I don't consider that to be a coin, but I do consider it to be a function of something that's going to really be, they'll come into play eventually, I think.